please. Now, in order to give the exam, first of all, when you become the member, your fees decreased. So click on become a PMI member, please.
Okay. This one, join
Yes.
PMI.
And can you scroll up a little bit? This is important. Contact your, yeah, this thing is kind of very important. That PMI is saying that especially for Indian people, contact your bank or credit card issuer to ensure that your card used for this purchase has been enabled for international usage. Enable for online purchase, and it is enabled. Is it so?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, I guess.
Let's see. Okay, scroll down. We don't need membership. This one. We don't need chapter membership for now. If you want, you can get later. Delete it, please. Okay. Continue to checkout. Continue to checkout.
What about this foundation something?
No, nothing. Continue to checkout. If you have extra money to give donation, you can. Okay. So I agree on this thing.
One question, address has changed. So is it fine? I can just leave it like that for now.
If you want to change the address, you can. Okay. If you want to put it there.
Will I be getting any hard copy?
You will not be getting any hard copy. Okay. So you see, that is a tax that your government is putting. Okay. That is the membership, and that is a governmental tax. Okay. Okay. Continue to payment voucher. Okay. So scroll down. Here you can enter your card detail. I'm going to stop the recording so that you can add the details. So now you have made the payment. Log out from your account. Please log out from
one second. I'm getting a call. Might be from the bank.
Log out from the account. The call was from the bank.
Yes, yes.
To
confirm the payment.
Yeah, so the India has that thing. Okay, log in back again. Now, my PMI, go to my PMI. No, the name. Yeah, go to your go to your dashboard. Yeah, where your name is written, Sai Parita. Where your name is written, please go there. Yeah. Go down. Pay for the exam. Click on pay for the exam. Okay, go down. Same thing. Do next, checkout. Okay. So now payment is done. Go to my PMI. Sometimes payments get reflected in a day or two because they get processed from the bank. So don't get worried if that happens. Go down.
Okay.
Go down. Okay, so the payment is processed. Schedule. Click on schedule exam. Up. Yeah, schedule exam. Click on that.
It's taking me back to this page. So I'll click again.
Click again. Log out and log in again.
Yeah.
Yeah, schedule exam. Okay, great. Okay, now click on PMP. Yeah. It has taken to your third party. There are two options at test center or online. Always click at test center. Click at test center unless you want to give at your home, which I don't recommend. Okay. So these things, your photo, your please do check your name is same as you have written there. That is an important thing. Click, go up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Yeah. At test center, you need to check it. Go down, go down. Okay, we'll check the name later on. Okay, next. Okay, we want to give exam in English. So click on English. Next. There's some terms of condition. I do recommend that you have a look at that. A few things I want to add here, that if you reschedule exam within a 1 month, you have to pay $70 to them. But if you reschedule exam before 48 hours, your entire fee will be wasted. Okay, go down. Next, agree. Now, depending upon your location, it will be showing you which centers are available to you. Now, for the people who will be watching this video later on, I do recommend you check here the center and go and check which center is that. Like, for example, if we talk about you, there are two centers that are near to you, Pearson Professional Center, Bangalore. It is 4.3 miles, and the second one is 5.8 miles. You can go and check both these centers, and whichever the center you like better, you can book it there. Okay. Do you know these places, by the way?
No.
So I do
I will
recommend.
have to search.
Sorry, I do recommend that have a
I
look
will have
at.
to go and
Yeah, I do recommend have a look at that. By the way, click on the first one just to show you how to book exam. Click on the first one. Okay, next. Now it will show you available dates.
okay.
Click on the next. Yeah, please. Go down. So in the March, you don't have any date available. Click next. The next month. Next month on the upside with the March, there's a written arrow. Click on there. Yeah. So scroll down. In April, there is the nearest one on 7th of April. Okay. So you can look at find another test center. Click on find another test center. Yeah. We can check in the second center. Is there any data available? Down. You can click on the second one and put next. You are in Bangalore, no? Right?
Yes.
Click down. Okay, again, it also has no date. Click next. Okay, when do we have here?
Sundays.
So Wednesday is available there. We have two dates available, 5 and 8. Okay. So which one you want to book, you can decide that then. Or one more thing that I recommend, wake up at odd hour, like maybe 3 a.m., 5 a.m., something like that, the dates come and keep on going, and you can check that.
Mhm.
Okay, just to show you something,
Okay.
click on 5th of April. Okay, now you see it will be 3 p.m. available. Okay, down. Okay, click down. Okay, click on book this appointment. If you click it, it will be booked.
Mhm.
Okay, they will ask you one more
Okay.
time. Okay, do you want to book that, or do you
Mhm.
want to check again date some other time?
Mhm.
Do you want to book this
Okay.
date, or do you want to check the centers?
I want different dates actually. Weekends is what I was looking for.
Weekends,
Can I check it at?
yes, you can check at a different time and you can book it accordingly. Okay, so you just click
Okay.
book, and then again it will ask you to review the order, and that's it. And that's how you book that. Is it clear to you now?
Okay. Yeah.
So I will be uploading this video. Okay.